So we are here at Helios Grande Hotel, right next to Epic Universe. Going to take you on a full resort tour. Sophie's here with me. She's going to do her own resort tour. Let's go check it out. When you walk in the front door, to your right is going to be where you check in at. Mobile check-in is the way to go. It's a lot quicker. Over here to your left is the Vacation Planning Center. If you're coming before Epic Universe opens, I believe it's May 18th, you might be able to get a preview ticket into the new theme park, Epic Universe. Still over here to our left is Flora Taverna. I'm not sure if that's how you say it, but that's how I'm saying it. This is your table service dining here at the resort. They've got like a wood-fired pizza, some pasta, a burger, some different desserts, some good looking options there. A hummus, some skewers. All pretty good. We ate here for lunch on our check-in day, and I got the burger and Brandy got the Caesar salad, and both were really good. When you make your way around into the main lobby and go straight through, that's where you're going to go out towards where you can see into Epic Universe. So we're going to come through these doors, and there's where you can see into the park. So over here is Dark Universe. You can see Super Nintendo World over there in the distance. Straight back is going to be How to Train Your Dragon, Isle of Berk, and then we're going to have the Ministry of Magic over there for the new Harry Potter area. And of course Celestial Park right there in the middle. Something else I want to show you on these little patio areas on each side, you're going to have all this little different seating. You can come out here and get different dining options. You can bring your food out here, enjoy the views of the park. At nighttime, there is like a little light show that happens between the little stand over there. It's kind of hard to see, and the stand here, where they do like a transfer of the light between the two gods of the moon and gods of the sun, which is pretty cool. I'm excited to see that while we're here. You come in through the main entrance and you go to the right. That's where you're going to have Aurora Market, which is the quick service option here at the resort. We've got a bunch of different ice creams and gelatos and all that good stuff. Might have to come and try that one day. See what else we got going on. Some different pastries, some donuts, stuff like that. Also, we're going to be able to grab your morning coffee. Come down here, or afternoon coffee. Different food options here. Freestyle Coke machine. Also in here is where you're going to find the Universal Studios store. All your Epic Universe merchandise. How to Train Your Dragon. This is some Harry Potter stuff. Nifflers. Find all your shiny stuff. You can come in here and get anything that you forgot. You got toothbrushes, razors, different medicines, deodorants, laundry bags. We got keychains and bathing suits, goggles, all your Super Nintendo stuff. Donkey Kong, Luigi. Sophie likes this Princess Peach one. Just give you a rough estimate. These shirts are about $35, so about regular price for a theme park shirt. Let's see how much this Bowser cup is. Looks like, I can't tell on that one. It's cut off. 16 bucks. All your headbands for Super Nintendo World, Superstar, Super Mario Brothers, Luigi, sunglasses. We actually had to buy some this trip. I forgot some, so had to buy some sunglasses. Twice down the hallway to the right as soon as you come in the entrance. To the left over here is where you're going to find your park entrance into Epic Universe. You are going to have a room key to be able to go in that way, so you're not like you can come park here and then go into the park. Just to the right of that is where you're going to find your elevators up to the different floors. We'll go up there and check out what's available that besides just regular rooms. We'll include a room tour in this video as well. Just got into our room over at Helios, and this is just a standard 2-queen room. We're going to take you through it. First walk in the room, you've got your light switches, and then you can actually bring your drapes in and the little curtains in with the button. Got a mirror when you first walk in. We've got a closet It's got an ironing board, a little luggage stand, your in-room safe, extra pillows. Go into the bathroom. We've got your sink and like a little makeup sink, I guess. Not sure. Yeah, there's a light on it there, I think. There we go. Little lights for that. So we got anything in here? Some extra storage. More storage. Some hand towels and washcloths. Hair dryer, essentials. We've got just a regular face soap and a shower cap and some lotion, tissues. Moving on into the bathroom, just a regular, yep, that's the potty. Regular stand-up shower, no tub. And the commode. And this is just a 2-queen room. We got one queen bed there, another here. This is just a standard view, so we're kind of looking out into the parking lot. But you can see Ministry of Magic over there for the new part of Harry Potter at Epic Universe. It's a regular TV. We've got some storage for your clothes. There is room underneath. You can see we got our shoes down there. Some room there for some luggage if you want to. We've got our beverage cooler, little mini fridge. If you get any leftovers or drinks or anything like that. You've got the reading lamps on each side of the bed. You'll be able to keep those on if you want. All of the plugs seem to have USBs, both USB and USB-C. We've got an iPad here. I'm not sure what that is. We'll check that out. Oh, there you go. You can place a request, wake up alarm, all that good stuff. About the hotel, city walk, resources. You can explore the dining, different media, and then you can connect. Plugs on each side of the bed with USBs. And then over here on the little desk, you got your in-room phone and then a plug with USB as well. All in all, a pretty simple room, but but effective, big enough that you can. We've got the double stroller in here without an issue. There's room underneath the beds for your storage and all that good stuff. So it'll be a good room. They also do have theme park view rooms that you can look into Epic Universe. We're making our way down this hallway past the elevators and the park entrance. And down here is where you're going to find the fitness room, the game room. So I'm not going to go in there just because there might be some people working out. But they've got all sorts of different fitness equipment in there and good stuff. There's lockers, showers, all that you need. So we've got the arcade. We've got a bunch of different games in here. There's a whole wall of claw machines. Different prizes you could win. And this is right across from the fitness center here. Basketball, Mario Kart. There is an entrance to the pool area right out this door. But we're going to go out the main entrance. Way out of the arcade and to the left, we're going down to check out the pool. I'm not going to go all the way down there, but basically you just keep following that around and it'll take you into an entrance. You are going to have to show your room key. They've got pool services down here, which is going to where you get your towels and chair covers. You have life jackets available for the little ones spaced throughout the pool area. These cabanas are available for rent. You just need to check in with guest services. When you get here, if you're club level, you should be able to check in with concierge. So over there is the pool bar. You can get all sorts of drinks and food, and they also have servers that are coming around and walking and taking your order as well. I just wanted to conclude with where you can catch the buses to get over to the other two parks and Volcano Bay. Obviously, Epic Universe is going to have its dedicated entrance here, but if you come out of the main entrance and go to the left, you're going to see the different bus stations, which will take you to the other parks. You'll be able to see they have signs on both the buses and on the TV screens above the stations to be able to tell you which bus is going where. That's it. That is our day here on a full resort tour here at Helios Grande Hotel, right next to Epic Universe. It's a fantastic hotel. It's beautiful. So far, I've stayed at 2 other Universal properties. This is my favorite one thus far. It's great. It's got that dedicated entrance is a game changer in being right on the theme park. So we hope you enjoy it and be able to come out here and take a look.